One last thing you're probably going to need to do with a circle is write the equation given a graph. So here notice we have the bottom pole of this circle and we have the right pole of this circle, and we want to write its equation, so we need to figure a couple things out. Well, what do you need to write the equation of a circle? You need a center and you need a radius, and we can find both of those items by using the x and y values that we've been given here. So one thing you should notice is that from that bottom point, if you go straight up, you hit the center, which means those x values are the same, which means negative 4.2 has to be the x value of that center. Similarly, if you go from that right point left out to that center, you hit it, which means the y value has not changed, which means this y value of 3.5 has to be the y value of the center. And so we've got the x and y values of the center, which means I can start writing my equation. X minus the x value, so x minus negative 4.2 is x plus 4.2 squared, plus y minus the y value of 3.5 squared equals our radius squared. So all we need to do now is figure out what our radius is. And that's just a matter of finding the length of either of these blue lines. So we could either find the difference in the x values of these 2 points, or we could find the difference in the y values of these 2 points. I'm going to find the difference in the y values because there are no negatives to deal with. So the y value of my right point, 3.5, minus the y value of my bottom point, 1.3, will tell me my r value. So 3.5 minus 1.3 is going to be 2.2 as my radius. Therefore, I can write x plus 4.2 quantity squared plus y minus 3.5 quantity squared equals 2.2 squared. And I have the equation of my circle. And that's probably just about all you're going to do with circles in this unit.